Hi guys, this is my new bird.
White-booted racketeer. You should check
It's that one.
We
And
should
they gave me this decoration. Let's put it right here. And it
duplicate a lesser spirit in the forest. But we don't have a lesser spirit in the forest, so we can't use it.
Yeah, so we can't use it. And to duplicate, that means when we get 3 lesser spirits, it will give us, and then we use that decoration, it will give us like 6 here.
Yeah.
White-boarded racketeer.
That's bad. I feel like it's so easy to complete a belonging set.
It only has 2 birds.
Pretty much the shortest set.
Yeah, then the other ones.
Yeah.
The wonder.
Yeah, but we still didn't unlock the wonder. We need to get some more other books.
Our little brother got this one, the emerald one.
Yeah.
Someone found it. Here's this, the pearl one. Like, and that's gonna be a pearl. Okay. It looks so cool.
Oh my
And I added a rainbow tattoo so I can know what it is, and also so I can know which one is the new species. That,
La la
max level, max level, max level.
pretty good. That's
So, max level, max level, max level. You can just see like right here. Oh my god, 10. 10 bird has been max level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my god, where's the 10th one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
too fast.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Mom, wait. 9, no. 10. Not quite my color. Who's there? Better now. I think it's out there. Okay, no sun couldn't. Here's the rainbow bee eater. It's still a baby right now. Okay, I was just here just to show you my new bird right here. So, bye. Thank you.
God.